That's so wholesome, man.
Yeah.
You should tell her that.
I really should. Let's go, Nick. Come on, doggy. Let's go. Tuck, remember your beta here, dude. Don't doubt. Bump. Yeah. Okay, cut here. Toe. Yeah, stay tight. Match. Go over there. Yes.
Nice, man.
Put the left toe on. Cross. Good. Come, escape to the crimp. Escape to the right hand crimp. Now go up to the pinch. Up to the pinch. Yes. Okay, right toe on. Heel hook. Cam it. Go big, dude. Go. Yes, Nick. Come on, doggy. Throw the heel. Come in with the right hand. Okay, switch it to a toe. Switch it to a toe. Yes. Perch. Grab the undercling now. Press. Right hand.
Get
Flip.
it, man. Come on.
Flip the right hand. Flip the right hand. Right now. Flip the right hand. Yeah,
Fuck
boy.
yeah, dude.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes, bro. Let's go.
Good.
Yeah.
Let's go, dude. That was sick. I'm feeling amped now.
Yeah.
I feel inspired.
That was sick. Nice job. That for sure seems like V10 to me.
We need to brush out that undercling.